over here, so I might let Charles make us some like some peanut butter cookies or something like that. But let me get. Why is it so dark in here? All right. Lighting this off in here, I guess, but it's okay. But yeah, that's what we about to do. I'm about to show y'all how I make my meatloaf and stuff and things. Let's get started. Okay, y'all. Okay. I should have had all this together before I did it, but I had a telephone call I was on. Okay. All right. Okay, you guys, this is how I make my meatloaf. I don't know how you're going to make yours, but this is how I make my meatloaf. So, I'm using ground beef. I'm not doing a whole bunch of meatloaf because I don't like leftovers. I don't like no leftovers. So, I'm using the ground beef. Okay. Alrighty then. I need some gloves to play with ground beef. Okay, today I got some black gloves. I bought me some more gloves. These gloves right here, like, oh, they look like they feel like they better than the other gloves I would use. But okay, that part. Trying to go past these fingernails. Oh shoot. But yes. So how y'all been doing today? We've been doing great. We had a lot to do today. Let me season this today. Again, y'all, like I tell y'all all the time, make sure when y'all get ready to season y'all food, make sure this lid is on. Because if this lid is off, you drop that in this ground beef, you ain't going to be able to do nothing to it. But throw it in the trash. Because the seasoning is going to soak right on through the ground beef. And then you ain't going to be able to do anything with that ground beef. Okay, that's extra season. Okay, pepper. Cause like I tell a lot of people, this lifting onion soup mix go good in ground beef, baby. I'm telling you, it tastes delicious. Okay, it tastes delicious. And it's called onion soup mix, and it's by Lifton. It tastes good. It's okay. Yeah, the phone and start ringing. Okay, after that, I'm going to put in some bell peppers. I chopped up. I had to chop some. They ain't had none at the local store today, so I had to chop some bell peppers. I was like, wow. But anyway, I chopped bell peppers and some onions. They chopped them today. They had some of those chopped, so they just take those and just put those in here. Okay. All right. And I also use mushrooms. I put mushrooms in my meatloaf as well too, you guys. Let me go rinse the mushrooms. Okay. But yes, yesterday, you guys, I didn't cook yesterday. I had like a leftover day. Put these mushrooms in there. Okay. And I should have put the gloves on later. I think I got some more. I'll put some gloves on later. I got mixing up this stuff. Okay. Okay, an egg. And I use an egg. Make sure these eggs ain't cracked. Or Charles bought these eggs. He don't look at them and make sure they ain't cracked in the pack. I'm one egg. And I'll put another egg in here. Okay. And then oh. I'm so unorganized today, y'all. I'm so unorganized today. We had a long day today. We've been out just about all day doing wonderful things. So what I'm putting in my meatloaf now, I'm putting diced tomatoes. I know a lot of people don't do that, but I love tomatoes, and I love diced tomatoes. So I'm putting some diced tomatoes into the meatloaf. Good. I usually put rotel tomatoes, but I ain't gonna put the rotel tomatoes in it. I'm just gonna use the diced because I got the bell peppers already in the onions. But if I ain't had the bell peppers and onions, I would have put the rotel tomatoes, diced tomatoes in there. So I'm just gonna put some regular diced tomatoes. Okay. There we go. And then I'm going to, like they say, you got to make the meatloaf stick. So here is the flour. Put flour in it. You can either use flour, you can use breadcrumbs, you can use bread. But I'm using flour today because me and Charles don't do a lot of sandwiches. We don't do bread, so we don't keep bread here at our house. We get some bread. It'll go just like milk. It'll mold like the milk will spoil. Now I can put back on my gloves. So I can like this and y'all know I got these nails on. I'm trying to be careful with these gloves because I don't want them to pop no hole in them. And that's why I make sure I keep the gloves on because the nails, the food get all in the inside of the nails and stuff. Now I'm gonna play with the ground beef. Okay, y'all ready? Let's get this meatloaf meeting. Oh, look. So that's all I put in my meatloaf. Some people put barbecue sauce on their meatloaf. I do ketchup. Some people put tomato paste on their meatloaf. I do ketchup. You put whatever you want to on your meatloaf, however you want to do it. But I'm telling you how I do it. That's how I make my meatloaf. So if you want to put some barbecue sauce on your meatloaf, then you put some barbecue sauce on your meatloaf. If you want to put some ketchup on it, you do just that too. Tomato paste, whatever you want to put on it. But I usually put some cheese on mine in the inside of it too. That cheese help it to stick too. But I ain't put no cheese in there today. Charles be like, Miss Netta. Cheese, 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 cheese. I'll be like, yes, yes, yes. But yes. Get it good in. Oh, it's going to have flavor. This meatloaf going to have flavor all the way through it. Y'all see all that? All them bell peppers and onions and mushroom and stuff. It's going to be flavorful all the way through. Every bite you bite. So if you don't like bell pepper, onions, and mushrooms and stuff, don't eat this meatloaf because you're going to taste it all the way through. Okay. So, my pan is way over there. Okay, let me. There you go. So what I do is, oh Lord. Okay. Get the pan. Bring the pan over here. And I'm just going to put the meatloaf in there just like that. And then I'm going to loaf it up. Then I'm going to loaf it. Loaf it just like that. Ooh, these mushrooms are big. I'm trying to smush them down in the meat. Yeah. Let me cover it up. Them some big mushrooms. I thought they were going to be regular size. But nah, but I'm loafing the meatloaf up now, y'all. Making it into a loaf. I don't do leftovers, but I think I'm probably going to have to eat meatloaf 2 times. But y'all, it's giving meatloafing. That's one thing about Miss Netta. If Miss Netta can't do nothing else, Miss Netta can cook, okay? I do know that. I can't do nothing else. I know how to cook. I know how to do that. I know how to make your stomach feel good, baby. I know how to make it feel good. Okay. Okay, you guys. So that's loafed up. I hope it don't stay. I hope it stays together. I hope it stays together. But anyway, that's loafed. So now we're about to put this thing in the oven. All right. Put this meatloaf in the oven. All right, now let me put my stuff up. Okay. Now let me wash my dishes real quick, so I can move to the next assignment. Hold up for a second. Let me wash these dishes. Okay. Charles be wanting a little camera time. I'm trying to get Charles a little camera time. He needs to come and he can go ahead and put these cookies in the oven. He can get some camera time and stuff and things. But I just didn't want him in the kitchen with me. He'd be distracting me. I'll be like, boy, let me do this. He be in the kitchen acting like he don't know what nothing else. Like, where the stuff at? Like, boy, you been living here since I've been living here. You know where this stuff at? Okay. Thank you, love. Hold on, let me go get Charles and see do he want his camera time. I'm gonna share the camera with Charles. Okay, well Charles is out there working out there, so obviously he don't want no camera time. He keep talking about he coming in a minute. So if he come in a minute, before I get off here, if he come in a minute, if not, he's not. But I'm gonna continue cooking my food. I gotta turn this meatloaf up. I forget. $3.75. I had it on $3.25, but honey, the ground beef got to cook a little quicker than that. So, let me. Okay, now I'm about to start on my broccoli. I'm gonna show y'all how I make my broccoli. My broccoli is edible by a lot of people. All my food is edible. Kids, all of them. I put the seasoning up. Put the seasoning up. So what I do with my broccoli, I steam mine. So I have a little water. I don't have a whole bunch of water because broccoli also gonna make its own water anyway. So what I do to my broccoli is this right here. Okay. I just throw the broccoli in there. Oh, there's some big broccoli. Lord, they big. Okay. These some big broccolis, y'all. So what I do to my broccoli, I just go ahead and season my broccoli. Oh, that's... See what I'm saying? Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Telling y'all got to make sure these lids and stuff on here right and down, because if not, you're going to be screwed up. Because I just almost got screwed up if I wouldn't realize and stuff. I don't know how you got to make it stay, but that ain't going to work. I guess I'm going to have to get a knife and take it out. I don't know. Did they manufacture didn't work properly when they was making it or what, but this ain't how it's supposed to be. We shouldn't have to try to make sure our little top stay on our thing every time we use it. But anyway, I season it. I put garlic on top of the frozen broccoli. Yes, I do. I put extra season on top of this frozen broccoli. And I do. And I also put black pepper. And by the broccoli being frozen, it's going to make some more water anyway. But I just didn't put them but a very little bit, tiny bit in there. Just some black pepper. And the key is for broccoli to taste good with the seasoning, gotta have some sugar. Now y'all see it ain't nothing but a little corner of sugar in this little top, a little corner. And I ain't even gonna put all of it in there. And sprinkle a little sugar. Therefore, our children, they'll eat their broccoli. They'll eat their vegetables. Just sprinkle a little sugar on. I'm telling you, everything will be totally fine. Your child ain't gonna get no diabetes with no little sugar like that. Like they always tell you, diabetes don't be no dang on sugar. That comes generic. All right. And now I'm going to make my mashed potatoes. I make mashed potatoes. I put a little water in there. Just a very little water. Because we don't got number one pack. And a little milk. Okay, y'all, yay, there go Charles. Charles is here. Yay. Okay. And so after that, I'm going to go and I'm going to do my mashed potatoes. And I'm going to let Charles take over. And I'm going to let Charles do his peanut butter cookies for our dessert. And That's about it.
That's it.
It's 3:25 p.m. Huh? Half and half.
Yep.
Hey, what you gonna put me in?
What I usually do.
I don't want him in that. In that muffin thing?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Well, I tell you what, since you know,
Yeah, that's the last time we made them in the muffin where they went in.
I mean, what do you mean? Like I like how they form up when you.
They be like real thick.
I mean, okay. You want them thin?
No, it ain't about being thin.
Once I do it, cause I'm gonna cut them like the same way I did it with them. And all they gonna do is come out flat.
Okay, put them in the muffin pan then.
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna let y'all have it over here with Charles. I'm about to go over here and I'm about to whip up my mashed potatoes. Over here, the water is ready to be for the mashed potatoes to be whipped up. Y'all know how to make mashed potatoes. They're just regular instant mashed potatoes, okay? So I'm gonna go over here and whip up my mashed potato while Charles come over here and talk to y'all about this dessert that he about to make, okay? Let me go whip up the potatoes.
Well, it ain't nothing hard, just simple. Just get your little pan here. Thank you for the gift. Up. Make sure no crust. What's up, people? It's me once again, the canceled one. So, what's going on? How many of y'all in here talking about me now?
We don't know.
I got a super chat.
I don't even want to read. If you full of it too.
I love you. Hate how people talk about you and then get mad when you respond.
Right.
Well.
Yep, that's what it is. But we ain't gonna respond to it. We ain't gonna entertain it.
Yeah, that's life.
Thanks for the super chat.
That's just life. I hate it too. Trust me, I hate it.
They talking about me. When I respond to it. It's like little mashed potatoes.
What? Yeah, they mashy.
No, it just ain't enough, but we gonna make it enough. It'll be enough for you and enough for me.
There you go.
Damn.
Okay. There we go. Trust me. Thank you. Cape Town, South Africa. Okay. I always said something about going there. When are y'all coming? I don't know.
Hey, we ain't reading no comments.
That's a super chat.
I don't want to read them either.
I mean, hey, if it's good, I'll read it. If it's bad, I don't. That's too thick. There we go. There it is.
I might want the peanut butter.
Me too.
You say you too?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's half and half, so. I want to make different blend for both.
Okay, well, the meatloaf is cooking.
Might as well throw these
Meatloaf is
cookies.
loafing. The mashed potatoes are done. The broccoli is ready.
And now for the dessert,
Let's do it to the side.
dessert.
Turn to the side, because I got to put the crescent rolls in there. It is not hot, you know.
There you go. There you go.
So we have everything in the okay, excuse me. Put these crescent rolls in here, and that'll be. Oh yeah. Go ahead. 'Cause I meant to tell you that. What is that? Oh yeah, tell the other one. And it's another box. Take my box, that one I just got today. Don't put it in there. Oh. What's that?
What's this?
Oh, that was for tires and stuff. That can go in the trash. We don't need it. That's the receipt.
Good.
We know we got new tires on the car. And that go in your truck.
Yep.
And we got anything else? Big boxes that we need to take out? It's tomorrow trash day.
I mean, so far that's it. And the trash already up there.
I seen it. Okay, I'm making these crescent rolls. And that's going in the oven. Oh, Lord have mercy. These broccoli. I don't like my broccoli hard and I don't like my broccoli soft. So, I think it's just right. Okay, alright. So let's make these crescent rolls, these honey butter crescent rolls everybody's so crazy about. Okay. I gotta put my car in the shop tomorrow in the morning. Get some work done on it. So I gotta get me a rental. And I think my car gonna probably be in the shop for about a week. So I'm gonna have to ride around in a rental. It's fine. Cause the rental cars you can drive like you want to drive. Cause you know you don't gotta worry about them messing up. Cause they gonna get their own stuff prepared. But I don't just abuse them. But you know you drive those cars different than you drive your own. You know that. I don't abuse them and just gonna mess them up or tear them up. Nah, cause I appreciate their services. Appreciate their rental services. Y'all school about to be out down here. For the first day of school started down here today. That's why we've been so busy. And stuff and things. I gotta go to a couple schools in the morning to give my little donations and stuff for the school, for the kids and the unfortunate kids that are there. I don't do no super chat. Okay. All right, now crescent rolls are going in the oven. So, now we just gotta wait for it to cook. Gotta wait for it to cook. Wipe down everything. Wipe down everything. y'all, I ain't drinking no liquor tonight. I'm drinking me some wine. I got me some Stella Rose, some black. That's what I'm, yeah. That's what I'm drinking tonight. This is what I'm drinking tonight, y'all. I ain't drinking no Jose Cuervo. I'm drinking some Stella Rose black. It be so good. And then if you drink the whole bottle, you're going to feel a little tipsy. See, Charles fooled me last time. He's like, I got some wine. I was like, I don't drink peach wine. He's like, oh, I got that wine for me. So he been holding his little peach wine in the refrigerator because he know I don't drink it and we ain't going to share it. So now tonight when I bust out my little Stella Black, then I'm going to see what he going to want. I'm telling baby, you better go get that peach in there and drink that peach because this black is going to be mine. As a matter of fact, let me go put it in a deep freezer. No, I changed my mind. It might not be done probably let it froze and bust in there. So, no, I just put it in the refrigerator. We got ice. All right then. Super chat. We don't got no super chat. Okay, 15K. So y'all, that's what we doing. Charles done put his cookies in the oven. My meatloaf in the oven. My crescent rolls are in the oven. My mashed potatoes are done. My steamed broccoli is done. And now just a waiting game. So I don't have nothing else to do or nothing else to talk about. So, what do you think? Okay. Maybe I could go talk to my auntie. Hey. When my crescent rolls and these cookies get done, because they're going to take a while for the meatloaf. So maybe I could just go and I could just vent and go talk to my auntie. What y'all think? She ain't seen me in a couple days. I ain't been over there in a couple days. So maybe I can go over there and just vent and talk to her. You know, I ain't talked to her in a couple days. And, what time is it? It'll be 4 o'clock. Hey, Kira. Hey, girl. Akira. I'm sorry. It's either, I think it's Kara. What's my show gonna be about? See, sometimes you just can't tell. Y'all gotta stay tuned. Gotta stay tuned. I ain't giving no information to nobody. Y'all gonna have to watch the show. It's gonna be whatever show I got going on that I got coming out or whatever shows that we got going on that we working on. We're not going to discuss them. Y'all know we can't discuss things like that. Now what show are y'all coming? I ain't never say I was gonna do no show. How dare you? You didn't know I ain't say nothing about I was gonna do no show. But anyway, I don't know. What my crescent rolls look like? What are you doing? Yes, you is. You wet than the skunk. I don't understand.
I don't know. Guess I want to burn some more color.
You ain't burning none. Baby, and you gonna wear the same thing tomorrow. I don't choose to do that. I don't go in no sun. That's you. I'm not making you go out there in the sun either. You know, you doing that because you want to. Right. So, no, I'm not going out there in the sun because that ain't what I want to do. That's what you want to do.
Exactly.
Well, that's what you do. Well, just don't get in here and think you finna turn this air conditioner down on super 60 and gonna have me freezing in here. Right. But cookies are cooking, and the loaf is loafing, and the crescent rolls are crescenting. Okay. Well, y'all, what's gonna happen now is I'm about to get ready to get up off of this thing. Charles done did his dessert. I have did my dinner. It's completed. I just wanted to show y'all how to, how I make mine. I don't have nothing else to talk about. I don't have nothing else to talk about. So I gotta get over here. Okay, so okay. Well, look, I don't got nothing else. We got you, Netta. Just keep bringing the light. Okay, okay. Well, I gotta go, y'all, because y'all know Miss Netta. So I don't got nothing else to talk about. I don't got nothing else to talk about on this thing. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to end this live. Thank y'all for coming and watching me, Charles and I today cook our dinner. Y'all best to believe we're gonna have a skit out for y'all, which Charles, your dinner is ready, so y'all gonna see the final. The final dinner is gonna come on tonight when we get ready to eat our dinner. Uh, so I gotta get up off of this thing, and I missed you guys. I ain't talked to y'all yesterday because I ain't had nothing to talk about. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get up off this thing. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna go ahead and get up off this thing. Thank y'all for joining my live. Thank y'all for watching. Just like I tell y'all all the time, today is Wednesday. It is a blessed Wednesday. It is hot down here in Alabama. Do y'all understand? It's hot down here in Alabama. So, if ain't nobody told y'all today that they love y'all, then guess what? God loves you, and so do Miss Netta. Y'all have a blessed and